the Skyliner and you're with us. Camden and I decided today it's super, super hot here. We're under heat advisories. So we are not going to a park today. We decided we want to go eat lunch at Pop Century. Then we can.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, it's our favorite. It's one of our favorites. So, and it's been like a year since we've been there. I know they've redone the food court and we've not seen that. So we're taking you with us. Oh, we can't wait to get on the cruise then. All right, this way to Pop Century. I love the Skyliner. It's an attraction in itself. It's wonderful. Here we go. We're in the Pop Century Skyliner now. Heading to Pop to eat lunch. Okay, here's your little POV of the Skyliner. Right. And it's not hot. It's super hot outside today, but it's not hot in here, is it, Cameron? It's not hot at all. There's just a really good breeze blowing. It's been a long time since I've been at Caribbean Beach, too. Maybe go back over there. Here's art animation.
On your left is Disney Pop
Pop
Century
Century.
Resort, a memorable resort that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout.
Hourglass Lake right here in between art animation and Pop Century. Oh, we're zooming in. We made it. So to the right is art animation. It's a very short walk to Pop Century from art animation. There's Pop. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tammy and I do Disney videos. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so you can see all my Disney content coming up. So I have a full resort tour of Pop Century Resort and and art animation. I'm gonna link it down in the description box and in the comments. On our way to Classic Hall. Look at this place. Oh, I just love it. All right, let's head into what's it called? Centennial Hall and the food court. After we eat, we'll take a walk through the resort, just an overview. Classic Hall, Pop Century. I always love to look at the rugs. This is the cutest place. All right, everything Pop shopping and dining. Oh, this looks so different. I can't believe I've not been here since they redid it. It looks nice though. I really like it. It's more open, I think. After we eat, we'll take another look around. But I'm gonna show you the food court. It looks nice in here. It's really nice. All right, we got our food. Let's see what we got. Okay, Cameron got the brownie. Look at that, y'all. We're gonna eat that. That deliciousness. I got this Italian sandwich. It was like $13, but I'll put the description in here. That looks good. And it came with chips. And then Camden got the chicken strips, which you can never go wrong with Disney chicken strips. So we're gonna eat. I'll tell you how it is. Okay, my sandwich was good. I loved it. It had that good vinaigrette that I poured on top of it. It was delicious. But now I'm gonna try this. It looks so good. It's a Mickey brownie. So when we first moved here, me and Cameron would come here and eat dinner sometimes after work. Remember, Cam? We would come and eat pizza. because we always called this our home resort, Pop Century, and we just loved it so much. So we would just come and eat pizza and hang out, and it felt like such a treat, didn't it? To be able to just drive over here and not even have to get on an airplane. Okay, here's the brownie. Oh my, Cam. You're gonna love it. It's really good. It's delicious. Okay, let's take a look through here at this cute gift shop that's just been redone. So you have like a little grab and go section over there, like for your medicines or some snacks. They always have cute. Oh, look at this jacket. That's so cute. It's $119. This is a cute cup. I have these Chippendale socks. So these socks are $15 each when you buy two. Oh, let's look at these backpacks. That clear one's cute. Oh, I've been loving this purple backpack. And those ears. Okay, let's go at this store. This is where the buses are. And we're going to do a very quick overview of this resort. Okay, so be sure and check out my full resort tour video that I've got linked below. I have the whole resort. This is just going to be an overview. Here's the front of the resort. Let's go walk in through the front door. Want to? Okay, classic hall. We walked in the front door. It's always so cute, this front desk area and all the memorabilia on the right. We went through this whole section in the video for my resort tour. Okay, that's where we just... Okay, let's take a walk. This is the 60s. We're going to take a walk over to the 50s, walk through. And since my resort tour last, Disney has started checking in your luggage for your Southwest planes again. That had gone away for a long time. And that right there is where you would do it. Departure luggage. Okay, ways to beat the heat in the Disney summertime. It's July and it is hot. This is what I do. When we used to come on vacation, we would get up super early and try to get to rope drop. Let me show you this cute little Stitchy in this person's room. Pop Century people love to decorate their rooms on the outside. Get up early, head to the park, set yourself an alarm on your phone or somewhere at like 12 o'clock to head out. Go back to your resort, take a nap, or just go to the pool, or just get cooled off, hang out in the resort, eat, do whatever, and then go back once the sun starts going down. Because the park's open super late. Especially Magic Kingdom, you can go stay there till 1 o'clock in the morning, or at least midnight. My tip for you. And another thing you could do when it's super hot like this is don't go to a park and go to Pop Century and eat lunch, like we just did today. Isn't that cute? So this is the 50s. This is where we stayed last time we came. It was nice, and it's not too far. I mean, the main building's right over there. Really nice. There's a little quiet pool, and it is much quieter, isn't it, Camden? Than the others. It's pretty. They have a jukebox over there. Okay, that's the 50s. Let's head over to the 60s again. Pedals Bar. That's a good place for a frozen pina colada. Pina colada. 60s pool. It's the main pool. They have games out here. I love that pool. Don't you? Look at Goofy over here. This place is just picturesque. Cute. Welcome to the 80s, y'all. Rubik's Cubes, Mr. Potato Head. There's an 80s pool over here. Let's go look at it. It's another quiet pool. Be careful of gators and snakes in the area. For show. For show. There's Robert the Rabbit in the 80s. Here's a pool, and that's the 90s over on that side with the laptop. And Animal Kingdom open, yeah. Pac-Man. See the Pac-Mans on the stairs? The ghost, yeah.
Where is Pac-Man? Oh,
Pac-Man's over there.
Yeah. Oh, he's right there too.
Oh, okay. He's right there. That's a fun game. Remember that, Camden? Did you play that before? Of course.
I love that.
I love that Rubik's Cube there. This place is so big and bold and beautiful, everything. Yeah, there's the 90s. So we did the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s in a very short time. I got some more resort tours coming up, so be sure and subscribe so you won't miss them. And all the other Disney content that's coming. It says Disney's Animal Kingdom opens today, April 22nd, 1988.
Oh, the water park.
And the water parks, yeah.
The beach,
And I see Test Track on there. Always plenty of parking out where you're staying too, out beside it. So you don't have to walk through the whole area. You just park right next to your building. Hey, maybe we'll come eat lunch at Art Animation next, because it's right next door. Okay, that's when MTV opened, 1981. And look at this over here, this easy listening sweet sounds of the 70s. Love records. Here's a mood ring. Did you guys have a mood ring? I did. Okay, we went to the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, and now we're going back to the Skyliner. Okay, we just have to stop and get this sign because it's important. 1971, Walt Disney World Resort opens in Orlando, Florida. Yay! And there's the Skyliner station. All right, I think that's going to do it. We're back on the Skyliner, and I'll show you around a little bit the Skyliner, but that was fun when it came in.
Yeah.
I like my food, did you?
Of course.
I think I would just heat up my sandwich a tiny bit, but it was good. So let me know if you've got a resort stay coming up and you want me to go do a little overview of the resort for you, or look for a specific building, or I'll do a video on it. Just let me know. And that's going to do it. Be sure and subscribe because I have videos on Wednesdays at 6 and Saturdays at 10 a.m. And remember, you are the magic. And stay cool out there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.